Okay, we're going to talk about how to make your first poll on polleverywhere.com. So go to polleverywhere.com, and this is what the homepage is going to look like. And we do want to sign up. You don't have to use it, but in order for us to access some of the extra features, you will need your own account. And it's a free sign up, so just go to the sign up page. You will be presenting. You can mark either one, it'll work. And then sign up for the free and create your Poll Everywhere account. And you can use your Cal Poly email to do this. It's free, and they really, I don't think, bug you very much for it. Now, I'm already signed up, so I'm going to go to log in. And so once you're signed in, let's try that again. So now I'm logged in on my account, and I do have a poll set up already. It's the one that you took in class, but we're going to go to create a new poll. So you just click here on create. And we are going to use multiple choice. There are lots of possibilities you can use. We're going to use multiple choice. And you just type in your question here. And so I'm going to just do, what is your favorite color? And then we go to fill this in, and I'll put in a few choices. Red, yellow, green, blue. Remember, when you make a poll, you want a choice for everybody, so I'm going to put in other. And create. And there's our poll. Now, once we get and look at the poll, there are a couple of really important things to look at. This icon here activates and publishes your poll. And so once you click that icon, then your group members will be able to take your poll. So it's vital that your poll is activated. And you need to test it yourself and test it a few times. And if you're not getting responses in, you'll know why. Go back and activate it. The other part that you need to do, because sometimes the default is not great on here, go up here to your information, your sign in, and click on settings. And when you get to the settings page, you want to go down here, check that everything's in properly, and then you want to go to poll settings. Your poll settings are where you can say how long do you want your poll to stick around after you activate them. So I just activated that poll, and we want them to stick around for at least a week, because that's how long you're going to have for your group to respond. And you can say when should the correct responses be available. You could immediately is a good idea. And you can put on the participant counter so you know how many of your group members have participated. So that's all in poll settings. Again, we got there by clicking here on your account information, and then save those settings. And so your poll should be active. We'll go back to polls, and here's that poll we just did. And that poll is activated because this is highlighted. This one's highlighted. So that's pretty much all there is to it. As people respond to your polls, you'll see these numbers changing. You'll be able to save them. In class next week, we're going to actually take a screenshot of this. But you want to make sure that you are also signed in when you respond to other people's polls, because we're also going to take our response history and put it in the document at the end in class next week. And just to find that real quickly, I'll show you. Go back here to settings, response history, and this will give you the response history of all the polls you've taken. And obviously I've been doing this a while because these are all the polls I've taken, but you will have responses to the ones that you responded to in your group, and make sure that that's there. If you respond on your phone and you're not signed in, it's not going to come up here, and that's going to be a problem because we need to establish your response history that you have indeed responded to the members of your group. So good luck with this. I hope this is helpful to you.